How to edit any question on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit a question on Quora easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Quora app. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Now choose the question that you want to edit. For example, I choose this one. It's called what you need to start a business. Now all what you have to do is go to those three dots here down the post and click edit question, and now change the question easy and fast from here and click save. For example, I'm gonna add on internet and click save. As you can see, it's not available right now, but this is how to change it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.